Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot the payment method declined error on Shopify checkout. This message can be frustrating for both store owners and customers because it prevents an order from being completed. The good news is that in many cases, the issue can be identified and resolved with a few simple checks. In this guide, we'll go through the most common causes of the error, review your Shopify payment settings, and discuss what you can do if the problem continues. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where you'll find all of your store's configuration options. Inside Settings, click Payments. This page shows every payment provider currently connected to your store, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and any third-party payment gateways you've enabled. The first thing to check is whether your payment provider is active. If Shopify Payments or another gateway shows that setup is incomplete or requires additional verification, complete any requested steps before accepting new orders. Some payment providers temporarily disable processing until account verification is finished. Next, review your payment provider configuration. Open the settings for your payment gateway and confirm that your business information, banking details, and verification documents are accurate and up to date. Incorrect account information can sometimes cause payment attempts to be declined. If you're using Shopify Payments, also look for any notifications requesting additional documents or account verification. Completing these requests promptly helps prevent interruptions to payment processing. Now consider whether the problem is affecting just one customer or every customer. If only single customer reports the error, the issue may not be with your Shopify store at all. Their bank could be declining the transaction due to insufficient funds, expired card details, incorrect security information, spending limits, or fraud protection measures. In those situations, ask the customer to verify their payment information, try another payment method, or contact their bank for more information. Banks usually don't share specific decline reasons with merchants for security purposes. If multiple customers are unable to complete payments, return to your payment settings and make sure your payment gateway is functioning normally. You can also perform a test checkout if your payment provider supports testing, or place a low-value order yourself to confirm whether payments are processing correctly. It's also worth checking whether you've recently made changes to your store. Installing checkout apps, changing payment providers, or updating checkout settings can sometimes create unexpected conflicts. If the issue started immediately after making changes, reviewing those updates may help identify the cause. Another important step is making sure your Shopify subscription is active and your store isn't restricted. If there are outstanding billing issues with your Shopify account, certain store features, including payment processing, may be affected until the account is brought back into good standing. You should also ensure that customers are using supported payment methods. Some payment gateways only accept certain card types or payment options depending on the customer's country or your store's region. Offering multiple payment methods can reduce failed checkouts and improve the overall customer experience. If the decline only occurs for international customers, verify that your payment provider supports transactions from those countries. Some gateways have regional restrictions or additional fraud screening for cross-border payments. If you've completed these checks and payments are still being declined without a clear explanation, the next step is to contact your payment provider. They have access to detailed transaction logs and can often identify the exact reason why payments are being rejected. If everything appears normal with the payment provider but the issue continues, contact Shopify support. From your Shopify admin, click the Help option, describe the issue, and provide examples of failed orders if available. The support team can review your store configuration and help determine whether there's an issue with your checkout or payment integration. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.